Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Samsung CNT ITFIT A08B flexible wireless earphone. So you can see the box. If it's here, you can see wireless deep bass earphones, flexible neckband, magnetic buds, and playtime up to 6 hours. Okay, so now quickly open the box. And if we see here, ITFIT especially designed for Samsung Galaxy, that provides you with better experience and further enhancement of the device. Okay, designed for Samsung is a trademark granted to third-party manufacturer to design and produce Samsung electronics. Okay, so now here you can see, okay, here we get the micro USB to USB cable. This is the reading manuals. Keep this aside, and you can see this is the device itself. Okay, this is the extra ear tips, and this is the Samsung CNT ITFIT A08B wireless headphone. Okay, as you know, it comes with magnetic earbuds. Here you can see, just pair it like this, and it has flexible neckband. And here you can see the branding of Samsung CNT ITFIT. Okay, and here you can see this is for charging. Here you can see the USB port for charging. This is the volume maximize and minimize button, and this is the multifunction button. And here we get the mic. On back here we get the mic, you can see. Okay, it looks great. Just hold it to on it. By holding you can on and off it. So guys, this is the unboxing of Samsung CNT ITFIT A08B wireless headphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.